Hi, I'm Shannon Belanger from SimplySOS Professional Organizers, and I'm back to help you declutter, streamline, and organize all aspects of your life. Let's talk storage containers. Most of us have purchased those large blue storage containers from our local big box store and filled them with everything from off-season clothes to memorabilia. Now, months or even years later, when searching the winter bin for the next size snowsuit and mittens, you're surprised to find a soccer ball and sidewalk chalk instead. Sound familiar? With so much to do and not enough time to do it, storage bins often go without labels, updated or otherwise. Save yourself the aggravation by storing your belongings in clear containers. At a glance, you now know where the gardening tools or grandma's quilts are hiding. Clear containers with latching lids are the best. Different sizes and shapes can be sourced from a variety of brick and mortar or online retailers. Now, let's label those bins. Anyone who knows me or has been a client knows I love myself a label maker. The one I regularly use retails for about $25 on sale and is a dream to work with. No label maker? No problem. A roll of masking tape and permanent magic marker equal instant labels. Be sure to have your label maker or tape and marker close at hand whenever entering your storage space. Doing so increases the likelihood of labeling new bins or updating old ones. Most importantly, don't store stuff unless you have to. Resist the temptation to store stuff for the sake of storing it. Don't save it just in case, and do not hold on to it because someone else someday might possibly have a use for it. As with any organizing endeavor, gather all like items together, keeping only those that are sure to be used and that you'd buy again if given the chance. Donate unwanted items to Goodwill and help disabled Albertans secure purposeful training and find meaningful employment. Until next time, I'm Shannon Belanger from SimplySOS. If you're consumed by clutter or suffocated by stuff, we're here to help.